Question 1. When is passing prohibited on a roadway? A. When a do not pass zone is marked. B. When the road is straight and clear. C. When traffic is light. D. When the vehicle ahead is slow. The correct answer is A. When a do not pass zone is marked. Explanation. Marked no passing zones legally prohibit overtaking due to limited visibility or road hazards. Question 2. When approaching a pedestrian crossing with flashing amber lights, you must A. Yield to pedestrians who are crossing. B. Proceed without slowing. C. Honk to alert them. D. Only stop at night. The correct answer is A. Yield to pedestrians who are crossing. Explanation. Flashing amber signals mean pedestrians are crossing or preparing to cross, requiring drivers to yield. Question 3. On a wet road, stopping distances can A. Double. B. Decrease. C. Remain the same. D. Be unaffected. The correct answer is A. Double. Explanation. Wet pavement greatly increases braking distance, requiring drivers to slow down. Question 4. When following a motorcycle, what is the recommended minimum distance? A. 4 seconds. B. 1 second. C. Half a car length. D. 2 seconds. The correct answer is A. 4 seconds. Explanation. Motorcycles can stop quickly, so extra following distance is required. Question 5. When may you enter a reserved bus or taxi lane? A. Only to turn or access property when permitted. B. To pass traffic. C. To park briefly. D. Anytime traffic is heavy. The correct answer is A. Only to turn or access property when permitted. Explanation. Reserved lanes may be used temporarily only for permitted turning movements. Question 6. When passing on a two-lane road, you must finish the pass before A. Oncoming traffic is within 150 meters. B. The road turns left. C. The next street sign. D. The vehicle behind you moves. The correct answer is A. Oncoming traffic is within 150 meters. Explanation. You must complete passing with a large safety margin before any approaching vehicle. Question 7. When you hear a siren in urban traffic, what must you do? A. Pull over to the right and stop. B. Stop in your lane immediately. C. Speed up to get out of the way. D. Turn on hazard lights. The correct answer is A. Pull over to the right and stop. Explanation. Emergency vehicles have priority. Other road users must clear their path. Question 8. What should you do when an emergency vehicle approaches while you are in an intersection? A. Clear the intersection, then pull over. B. Stop immediately in the intersection. C. Block the road to help them. D. Reverse out. The correct answer is A. Clear the intersection, then pull over. Explanation. You must first exit the intersection before stopping to yield. Question 9. When entering a highway using a yield sign, you must A. Slow and give way to highway traffic. B. Enter without slowing. C. Expect others to yield. D. Stop in all cases. The correct answer is A. Slow and give way to highway traffic. Explanation. Vehicles already on the highway have the right of way. Question 10. How should you drive through standing water on the road? A. Reduce speed to avoid hydroplaning. B. Accelerate to clear it. C. Use cruise control. D. Drive in the center of the road. The correct answer is A. Reduce speed to avoid hydroplaning. Explanation. Slower speed helps maintain tire contact with the road. Question 11. When a light turns green, you should A. Look both ways before proceeding. B. Move immediately. C. Honk to alert others. D. Accelerate quickly. The correct answer is A. Look both ways before proceeding. Explanation. Green does not guarantee safety. Drivers must confirm the intersection is clear. Question 12. At a railway crossing with flashing red lights, you must A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop. B. Proceed if the train looks far away. C. Slow down but continue. D. Drive around the gate. The correct answer is A. Stop and remain stopped until the lights stop. Explanation. Flashing red railway signals require a complete stop. Question 13. When driving downhill on a long slope, you should avoid A. Using brakes continuously. B. Using engine braking. C. Keeping extra distance. D. Maintaining a steady speed. The correct answer is A. Using brakes continuously. Explanation. Continuous braking overheats the brakes. Use lower gears instead. Question 14. When oncoming headlights are too bright, what should you do? A. Look toward the right edge of the road. B. Close your eyes briefly. C. Stare directly at the lights. D. Flash your high beams. The correct answer is A. Look toward the right edge of the road. Explanation. Looking right avoids glare and helps maintain lane position. Question 15. On a divided highway, when must you stop for a school bus with flashing red lights? A. Only if you are traveling in the same direction. B. From both directions. C. Only at night. D. Only if children are crossing. The correct answer is A. Only if you are traveling in the same direction. Explanation. Opposing traffic on a divided highway does not stop for the bus. Question 16. At a pedestrian crossing at night, what should you do? A. Reduce speed and watch for pedestrians. B. Maintain normal speed. C. Use high beams. D. Ignore the crossing. The correct answer is A. Reduce speed and watch for pedestrians. Explanation. Visibility is reduced at night, requiring slower speed. Question 17. How should you pass a horse-drawn vehicle? A. Slow down and pass carefully. B. Honk loudly. C. Pass closely. D. Accelerate quickly. The correct answer is A. Slow down and pass carefully. Explanation. Horses can be startled easily. Drivers must use caution. Question 18. When following a vehicle at night, when must you dim your high beams? A. Within 100 meters. B. Within 250 meters. C. Within 50 meters. D. Within 150 meters. The correct answer is A. Within 100 meters. Explanation. High beams must be dimmed behind another vehicle to prevent glare in their mirrors. Question 19. If a police officer directs you to stop, but the traffic light is green, what must you do? A. Obey the police officer. B. Follow the traffic light. C. Continue through. D. Honk for clarification. The correct answer is A. Obey the police officer. Explanation. Police instructions override all traffic signals. Question 20. When your vehicle hydroplanes, what should you do? A. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. B. Brake hard. C. Turn sharply. D. Accelerate. The correct answer is A. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. Explanation. Reducing speed and maintaining direction helps regain traction. Question 21. What does a flashing green traffic light allow you to do? A. Proceed in any permitted direction. B. Stop completely. C. Turn left only. D. Proceed straight only. The correct answer is A. Proceed in any permitted direction. Explanation. Flashing green gives priority to move unless restricted by signage. Question 22. When entering a narrow bridge, you must A. Yield to vehicles already on the bridge. B. Accelerate to enter first. C. Drive in the center. D. Sound the horn. The correct answer is A. Yield to vehicles already on the bridge. Explanation. Vehicles already on the bridge have priority. Question 23. When passing a cyclist at over 50 kilometers per hour, you must allow at least A. 1.5 meters. B. 1 meter. C. 0.5 meters. D. 2 meters. The correct answer is A. 1.5 meters. Explanation. At higher speeds, the minimum clearance is 1.5 meters. Question 24. What must you do when driving behind a snow-clearing convoy? A. Remain behind and do not overtake. B. Pass between them. C. Honk to alert them. D. Drive beside them. The correct answer is A. Remain behind and do not overtake. Explanation. Passing snowplow convoys is unsafe and prohibited. Question 25. What is the correct action when approaching a curve? A. Reduce speed before entering. B. Brake inside the curve. C. Accelerate through the curve. D. Shift gears on the curve. The correct answer is A. Reduce speed before entering. Explanation. Slowing beforehand improves stability. Question 26. How can you dry wet brakes? A. Drive slowly and apply them lightly. B. Pump the accelerator. C. Shift to neutral. D. Drive faster. The correct answer is A. Drive slowly and apply them lightly. Explanation. Light braking helps dry moisture from the brake components. Question 27. What must you do when approaching an emergency scene? A. Slow down and follow instructions. B. Drive quickly through. C. Stop in the middle of the road. D. Use high beams. The correct answer is A. Slow down and follow instructions. Explanation. Drivers must reduce speed and obey emergency personnel. Question 28. How do you turn right from a one-way street onto another one-way street? A. From the right lane into the right lane. B. From the left lane. C. From any lane. D. Without signaling. The correct answer is A. From the right lane into the right lane. Explanation. Right turns must begin and end in the appropriate right side lane. Question 29. If your vehicle becomes stuck on railway tracks and a train is coming, what should you do? A. Leave the vehicle and move away toward the train's direction. B. Stay inside and call for help. C. Push the car off the track. D. Signal the train with headlights. The correct answer is A. Leave the vehicle and move away toward the train's direction. Explanation. Moving toward the train's direction prevents being hit by debris. Question 30. When driving at night on a well-lit street, which headlights should you use? A. Low beams. B. High beams. C. Parking lights. D. No lights. The correct answer is A. Low beams. Explanation. Low beams are appropriate where street lighting is present. Question 31. What must you do when a vehicle has stopped for pedestrians at a crosswalk? A. Do not pass the stopped vehicle. B. Pass slowly. C. Drive on the shoulder. D. Flash headlights. The correct answer is A. Do not pass the stopped vehicle. Explanation. A stopped vehicle may be yielding to unseen pedestrians. Question 32. If parked cars block your view at an intersection, what should you do? A. Move forward slowly until you can see. B. Accelerate quickly. C. Turn immediately. D. Wait until traffic disappears. The correct answer is A. Move forward slowly until you can see. Explanation. Creeping forward ensures safe visibility. Question 33. At a railway crossing with a stop sign, you must A. Stop completely and proceed when safe. B. Slow only. C. Proceed if no train is visible. D. Stop only when lights flash. The correct answer is A. Stop completely and proceed when safe. Explanation. A stop sign requires a full stop regardless of train presence. Question 34. Where must you not stop or reverse? A. In a tunnel. B. On a driveway. C. At a parking lot. D. Near a sidewalk. The correct answer is A. In a tunnel. Explanation. Stopping or reversing in tunnels is dangerous and prohibited. Question 35. When facing a yellow light, you should A. Stop if you can do so safely. B. Accelerate. C. Honk and proceed. D. Ignore the light. The correct answer is A. Stop if you can do so safely. Explanation. A yellow signal warns that the light is about to turn red. Question 36. How should you approach a rural intersection with limited visibility? A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. B. Maintain speed. C. Flash headlights. D. Honk continuously. The correct answer is A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. Explanation. Reduced visibility requires caution. Question 37. When pedestrians are waiting at a crosswalk, you must A. Stop and allow them to cross. B. Speed past. C. Honk. D. Wave them away. The correct answer is A. Stop and allow them to cross. Explanation. Pedestrians have priority once they indicate intent to cross. Question 38. When two vehicles enter a narrow road at the same time, who yields? A. The vehicle facing the obstacle. B. The larger vehicle. C. The faster vehicle. D. Neither. The correct answer is A. The vehicle facing the obstacle. Explanation. The driver facing the obstruction must yield. Question 39. How close may you park to a curb when parallel parking? A. Within 30 centimeters. B. Within 1 meter. C. Touching the curb. D. At least 50 centimeters. The correct answer is A. Within 30 centimeters. Explanation. Parallel parked vehicles must be close enough without touching the curb. Question 40. What can low tire pressure cause? A. Poor steering and increased fuel use. B. Better traction. C. Faster speed. D. Enhanced braking. The correct answer is A. Poor steering and increased fuel use. Explanation. Underinflated tires reduce handling and fuel efficiency. Question 41. When a flashing green light turns yellow, what must you do? A. Stop if you can do so safely. B. Continue at the same speed. C. Accelerate. D. Honk. The correct answer is A. Stop if you can do so safely. Explanation. Yellow signals the end of priority. A safe stop is required. Question 42. When passing a parked car on a narrow street, you must A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. B. Pass quickly. C. Drive close to the parked car. D. Honk continuously. The correct answer is A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. Explanation. Doors may open unexpectedly or pedestrians may appear. Question 43. What should you do when exiting a tunnel? A. Adjust gradually to brighter light. B. Stop suddenly. C. Accelerate hard. D. Use high beams. The correct answer is A. Adjust gradually to brighter light. Explanation. Eyes need time to adjust from darkness to light. Question 44. What should you do in fog, snow, or reduced visibility? A. Use low beams and reduce speed. B. Use high beams. C. Maintain normal speed. D. Stop in your lane. The correct answer is A. Use low beams and reduce speed. Explanation. Low beams prevent glare and improve visibility. Question 45. What must you do when traffic signals malfunction? A. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. B. Proceed without stopping. C. Speed through. D. Follow other drivers. The correct answer is A. Treat the intersection as a four-way stop. Explanation. All drivers must stop and take turns. Question 46. How much distance must you keep behind an emergency vehicle with flashing lights? A. 100 meters. B. 25 meters. C. 50 meters. D. 150 meters. The correct answer is A. 100 meters. Explanation. Staying 100 meters back prevents obstructing emergency operations. Question 47. When approaching a crosswalk in heavy traffic, you must A. Avoid stopping on the crosswalk. B. Stop on the crosswalk. C. Block pedestrians if needed. D. Ignore pedestrians. The correct answer is A. Avoid stopping on the crosswalk. Explanation. Blocking the crosswalk puts pedestrians at risk and is illegal. Question 48. What must you do when approaching a vehicle with flashing amber lights? A. Slow down and use caution. B. Speed around it. C. Honk. D. Drive beside it. The correct answer is A. Slow down and use caution. Explanation. Amber lights warn of slow-moving or service vehicles. Question 49. When approaching a steep hill on a two-lane road, you must A. Stay right and avoid passing. B. Pass before reaching the hill. C. Drive in the center. D. Accelerate up the hill. The correct answer is A. Stay right and avoid passing. Explanation: visibility is limited over hills, making passing dangerous. Question 50. When parking facing uphill without a curb, you must A. Turn wheels toward the road edge. B. Turn wheels away from the road edge. C. Keep wheels straight. D. Turn wheels toward the center line. The correct answer is A. Turn wheels toward the road edge. Explanation: turning wheels toward the roadside prevents rolling into traffic if the vehicle moves.